Last year I done learned so much, and this year I'ma earn so much. Cause I love turning my knowledge to dollars, and real niggas gon' follow behind us. Follow behind us. Follow behind us. Good morning from the nigga who been up since the previous day. So all around is with a CD to play. I ain't the type to live my life up with the media say. Originality is what we need immediately. Now here we go, another nigga being needy today. All that frontin' got a bunch of bills that he didn't pay, but they be looking at me like I'm kinda greedy. I say you should go harder, man, that shit can get me heated in ways. Like I'm supposed to sit around and be broke, that's something we know. It's not a good feeling, and especially when we owe. Sometimes I feel I'm just around people who love to freeload, and that's the type of shit that'll push a nigga to reload. Can't far away from the bullshit, cause every time I turn around I hear some more shit about niggas making big deals out of little shit, raising city crime rates more than a little bit. And with that, they done took my homie Young Cole. Everybody got a day what I was once told, but all the stress of how close to hit the home, thinking that you can be next, turning everybody young old. Cause hoes setting up a bunch of niggas now too, so I'll be careful when the bitches come around too. And I never get the concept of nonsense, so with those kind of comments my earlobes are soundproof. Oh, I'm glad we found true habits, what they said. I know most of them rub my ego just to make bread. I know my flow's so sick that I should take meds. Don't need an 808 to get love from the bass heads, cause they shed tears that the music's so classic. Rhyme scheme straight cold cash, no plastic. I know what I got going on, no flashing. I let you see the phony in them niggas, no bashing. Last year I done learned so much, and this year I'ma earn so much. Cause I love turning my knowledge to dollars, and real niggas gon' follow behind us. Follow behind us. Follow behind us.